Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we'll explore how to create a business website mockup using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A website mockup loads, but spacing feels strange. Pixel aspect ratio aligns the digital reality. Buttons regain balance. Images feel natural. A slow check confirms consistency. Business websites must feel effortless. This fix removes hidden tension. The layout now respects screens. Final preview confirms readiness. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.